Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide or remove desktop icons in Windows 11. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So now to hide all of the applications, you can go ahead and right click on your desktop, then choose view option and then choose show desktop icons and unselect it. And then all of your icons will be hidden. Now you can again select it and now they will all appear on your desktop. If you want to hide only one application without deleting it, then you want to right click on specific application and then choose properties. On here you want to choose general, and here you will see attributes and hidden. You can go ahead and choose hidden and click OK. And also now to find your application, you want to go to your desktop right there, and then you will choose the option view, show, and hidden items, as you can see. So now you will see your hidden item. Again, you can go on properties, general, unhide it, and click OK. And that's how it works. Now it appeared on my other desktop. Now if you want to just delete it, you can choose some icons, right click on them and click delete. And that's how you delete them. To add them, you will go to all applications, find the application, drag it to your desktop, and that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.